On today's first episode, we are making iCarly spaghetti tacos. What's up guys? My name is Andy Leno, your host of What's Cooking Leno. Welcome to my channel. I'm happy to be here, my first episode. I really don't know what I'm doing, if I'm telling you the truth. This channel, or cooking channel, is gonna be me pretty much winging everything I do. Like, I would say that my cooking skills are a C+, pretty much. As you can see, this setup right here, I made it into a little kitchen, pretty much a studio. This is actually a spare room in my apartment that I do not use. So I tried to be creative, and this is what I came up with. Some shitty ass wooden spoons. I don't know how to spell kitchen. We were missing the I and the E. And paper towel to maintain ourselves clean. So that's the end of it. Let's get started. The ingredients today consist of some shitty pasta that we got at Walmart, taco shells, spaghetti noodles, onion, parsley, garlic, and ground beef. Also, our optional ingredients consist of salsa verde, queso fresco, and a pasta tool to make the pasta softer. Alright, so now we're going to put our water to a nice little boil. Just have to turn this shit on, I don't know how though. Okay, I'll just turn both of them on. I don't know which one's which. So I'm putting some water into our little pan. Just a little bit from middle up. Gotta stay hydrated. Okay, so now we wait. Okay. While we're waiting for that to boil, we can start by chopping up our onions, our garlic, and our parsley. Sharpen our knife. I would say that my cooking skills are a C+ if I didn't tell you already. I really don't know how to sharpen a knife, but it feels like it's being sharpened. Know what I'm saying? Just that. Alright, now let's get to chopping. Then we're gonna remove the motherfucking peel. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Give me a second. Chinga. We're gonna remove the butthole of the onion. You don't need that. Remove the head. I don't even know if that's what it's called, TBH. Okay, I think our water's about to boil. Okay, so I think we make an incision. No, the professionals make an incision in the middle, just like that. And then they get to chop in. I think, oh fuck, this is burning my eyes, fuck! No. What the fuck do they do? They do something. Oh, fuck. Ah! I'm crying. Oh my god. Somebody put some Drake on because I'm crying. Picaditos así. Then we get our garlic. Get our garlic. We get our parsley. This is tough, man. Cooking is tough. Alright, cool. So now that we cut our shit, the water is coming to a boil. It's not warm enough. It needs to be like fucking boiling. I don't know which one's for which one though. Let me see. Okay. This shit's about to be fucking boiling. The pan? That shit's hot. Good, 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 good. Alright, let's put in our oil. Just like that. I think it's 70% or 80% fat on the ground beef. Oh my god, cutting onions made me fucking cry, man. Oh, that makes it worse if I touch my eyes. Okay. Let's keep it together. Alright. Let's season our ground beef. I just fucking put it in, I don't give a fuck. Okay. Just like that. You hear that sizzle? That's a pro move. Something awesome. I'm saying. Little garlic powder. Yeah. Some black pepper. Well, not Rachel's. Yes, sir. Alright, now we see the water coming to more of a boil. Let's turn the heat up just a notch. Damn, look at that steam. Whenever I cook my steak, I like it like medium. But like ground beef, I don't know, I don't really like steamed red. So we'll just leave that there. Go ahead and drop our noodles, just like so. Almost there. It's browning already. I do like this seasoning though. All seasoned. I'm a seasoning guy, you know what I'm saying? Can't have none of that white shit. Cool. Okay, we'll go ahead and add our onions and our parsley. And our garlic. Just like so. Right now we're gonna go ahead and add our shitty pasta. I think it's gonna slow down the cook. Okay, that's enough. Our noodles are starting to loosen up. Okay. I think I overdid it with the fucking pasta. God damn it. Hey, no cursing. Yep, I fucked up. No, it's okay. It's spaghetti, right? It really is okay. Our noodles are taking a little turn right there. Kaboom. That's a pro move. Alright, we're gonna turn back on our little heating cooktop. This one right here. We're gonna toss this back up. Okay. We're gonna toss in our slightly undercooked noodles right here. Just like that. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Oh, by the way, that tool that you saw earlier in the video, that was my friend's vibrator. I was just kidding. I was just trying to be funny. Anyways. Okay. We're coming. Well, I'm coming. I mean, it's coming together. Yeah. Hear that shit? Shh. Just hear this, look. Sounds like whop. Sorry. I'm gonna try to give it a little toss. Oh my god. Fuck. Oh. It's just in the wrist, honestly. You know what I mean? Ah, just one. A good one. Fuck. That shit's heavy too. It's a fucking big ass skillet. Alright, let's build. We'll get our plates. Taco shell. Put in the motherfucking noodles in there. Yes, sir. Okay. This is a carb crime right here. Add a little bit of ground beef on top. Just like that. Yes, sir. Okay. Let's not forget our queso fresco. Okay. A la verga. A la pinche verga, mira. Motherfucking gourmet chef, I'm not too bad, goddamn. Look at that shit, man. And last but not least, our salsa verde. So fucking horny right now. God damn it, doesn't open all up. Oh. Yeah. Like that. Just like that. Así papi, me gusta así papi. I just wanted to add a little bit of salsa so we can have a little bit of cake, you know what I mean? Yetter. Damn. And that's all she wrote. I'm excited. Alright, so here we have our spaghetti taco. Look at that. Look at that, man. Don't tell me it doesn't look good. Don't tell me you don't want to take a bite out of this shit. Oh my god. Look at it. Respect it. Look at it. It's like sex, man. Look at the queso fresco, the salsa, the noodles. First bite. Wow. The motherfucking salsa. Holy shit. Hold up. I'm not kidding you. This shit dank. This shit's dank right here. Oh my god. Second bite. Okay. I will say to myself, I got down. Oh my god. I need that too. That should keep me handy. Alright guys. That's a wrap. iCarly's spaghetti tacos. I would say, being a mediocre chef, I did pretty good. Yeah, follow me on my Instagram right here. This is my Twitter. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn those post notifications on. And comment down below on the video what recipe you want to see me do next, okay? We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.